Looking for a shampoo that truly strengthens and restores damaged hair? Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen Restore Shampoo offers a sulfate-free formula that clears away buildup while deeply moisturizing your strands. Whether you regularly color, straighten, perm, or heat style your hair, or embrace your natural curls, waves, or kinks, this shampoo is designed to bring back vitality and resilience to your hair. What sets this shampoo apart is its powerful blend of Jamaican black castor oil and shea butter. These ingredients work together to reinforce weakened hair and reduce breakage caused by chemical treatments or heat styling. Plus, it includes peppermint oil to invigorate your scalp with a refreshing tingle, promoting a healthy environment for hair growth. The formula is free from silicones, sulfates, parabens, phthalate, mineral oil, and petrolatum, making it a clean, cruelty-free choice you can feel good about. I've tried shampoos at every price point, but Shea Moisture's offering stands out. The scent is pleasant without being overpowering. The lather feels rich but gentle, and the results speak for themselves: stronger, softer hair that looks healthier. It's clear this shampoo isn't just about cleansing, it's about nourishing your hair with every wash. Pair it with the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen Restore Conditioner to lock in moisture and boost repair for even better results. Shea Moisture's story adds another layer of meaning to this product. Inspired by Sophie Tucker, a trailblazing entrepreneur from Sierra Leone who started selling shea butter and natural beauty products back in 1912, the brand honors her legacy by sourcing raw shea butter directly from women in Africa. Every purchase supports sustainable practices and community reinvestment, so you're contributing to a greater cause while caring for your hair. If you're tired of shampoos that promise a lot but deliver little, this formula is worth a look. It's designed for real hair challenges, whether damage from heat, chemicals, or simply the wear of everyday life. What you get is clean, clarified hair that feels nourished, stronger, and ready to face whatever comes next. Try it when you're ready to make a meaningful change in your hair care routine.